Hey, it's Melissa here, and today we're going to discover one of your past lifetimes. This video is going to be very experiential, and there's a couple of things that I would love you to do to prepare yourself to be ready for experiencing what I'm going to teach you to do today. The first thing is go watch my previous video that was posted, which is called Have You Lived Before This Lifetime? This kind of gives you a little bit of background about past lives and clues to watch out for that will, I think, be a great introduction to diving into this experience today. Number 2 is go get my free training on how to do the spiritual cleansing technique. The spiritual cleansing technique is a powerful technique that will allow you to raise your vibration of energy. Anytime you delve into doing kind of spiritual work, like connecting with your angels, getting intuitive impressions, deep meditation, and the kind of thing that we're going to do today, which is tuning into past life awareness, you want to make sure that you are relaxed and spiritually clear first. And so the spiritual cleansing technique teaches you how to do that. Now, don't worry, this is a simple technique, but I just want you to go ahead and watch that full training so you have it. I don't want to spend another 10 minutes here explaining that. So you can go watch that training. And for those of you that already know the spiritual cleansing technique, you're good to go. But if you need that resource, communicatewithangels.com/cleansing. I highly recommend that you learn the cleansing before trying any other techniques like the one I'm going to do today. All right, you're warned. All right, okay. So this is a technique that we call the parachute technique. Why is it called the parachute? Because if you are skydiving, which I do not do, by the way, but if you're skydiving, you need your parachute, right? You have that cord that you can pull at any time when you're getting close to the ground, or if something went wrong, you know that you have that parachute there to help you. So when we're doing deeper spiritual work, this just gives us a sense of safety and protection. The parachute is simply put your palm out, put your thumb over your palm, and circle your fingers over your thumb. So you do that on both sides, and then you would just kind of turn your fists over and put them down on your lap. What you can do now that your thumbs are kind of underneath the palm of your hand, if you experience anything uncomfortable in the technique, you can squeeze your thumb, and that brings you right back to your body. So it's like your parachute back to planet Earth if you need it. So here's how this is going to work. In a moment, don't do it yet, I will ask you to cleanse and take a few deep breaths and relax and close your eyes. And then the first time I clap my hands, you are going to say to your angels, "Angels, take me to a past lifetime that you would like me to know about." The second time I clap my hands, you will keep your eyes closed, but you will kind of come back to the present and you will regroup in your mind what you experienced. The third time I clap my hands, you will open your eyes and note down in your journal, or please share in the comments on this YouTube video, what you experienced. Okay? If we were in a workshop, you would share with another person what you experienced, but this is, the solo version today. Right, let me say that one more time. The first time I clap my hands, you're going to say, "Angels, take me to a past life that you would like me to know about." Then there's going to be that moment of silence. So you're going to go with whatever happens, whatever impressions come to you. Try not to think about them. Try not to judge them. Just allow them to flow. There's no right. There's no wrong. It's just whatever comes through. Second time I clap my hands, you're going to keep your eyes closed, but in your mind, just kind of review, wow, what did I experience? What did I learn from that? And then the third time I clap my hands, you'll open your eyes and share in your journal or on our YouTube comments, preferably on the YouTube comments because I want to read them. Okay, so if you need to review the instructions again, rewind, watch it, make sure that you're clear because there's not going to be any talking as we go through this technique. All right, so let's get ready. Go ahead and cleanse. Make sure you have your parachute. Rest that in your lap. Close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths and just really ask your angels to come close to you. Come on back and note down in the comments, what did you experience and how did you interpret the impressions that came through, right? Maybe you saw pictures, maybe you heard something, maybe you just got a feeling or a pull towards something. I would love to know. Don't worry too much if you don't feel you didn't get much. The more that you practice these things, the more relaxed you're going to become. And that's really the key to learning this stuff, is to become more and more relaxed. If you're watching this video in 2024, then I highly invite you to join an upcoming workshop that I'm offering. It's online, it's very low cost. It's called Astro Soul, Exploring Your Universe in the Fifth Dimension. It's going to help you to get in touch with that psychic part of yourself and understanding the bigger picture of your relationship with the universe, why you're here, and how you can expand your psychic abilities, that astral travel, that awareness of the universe and your Akashic records. Is going to help you to realize the powerful soul that you are and give you more experiences to go deeper than what we've done today. So go check out the link for that below. It's coming up really soon, and I can't wait to see you in our next video.